to the lovers of occult. I'm Theia. In this episode, I will talk to you about Surrender Sorceries. For those who cannot devote themselves to the beyond and only want to enjoy its fruits and benefits, Surrender Sorceries are suitable, which do not require austerity when performed. We leave this sorcery alone, so that the demons of action bring us gifts like abundant sustenance or love or many chances. But what is your doll? Know that if you help someone else, I am pleased with you, and if you do not share whatever the beyond gave you with others, my curse will be on you. Today you may be involved in problems yourself. Infected chakras and wrong demons have stopped your progress. To clear these chakras, you need protection. So, when your problems are solved and the doors of blessing are open to you, evolvement, conquest, relaxation, you have a duty to help others. This blessing is not just for you. You can share the best with your loved ones. Remember these days and help others tomorrow. But how? The crystal you receive is a treasure that has my breath and seal. It's not just to change your life, but to change every person who needs and deserves it, not as much as you, but your smallest supporting will return to your life. The energy of these crystals is transferred not only by touch, but even by sight. If you see someone in trouble, let him touch your crystal. His skin should touch the crystal. Let your siblings, acquaintances, and colleagues touch the crystal. That crystal will bring blessing to your friend's life, and they will thank you. Do not neglect this. This act returns to your own life and becomes a blessing. Can't be able to help 100 people a day, or help 1,000,000 people a year, or solve everyone's problems, but you have been chosen, and its alms are your responsibility. I can teach you a Surrender Sorceries. I am honored to have many students, and you are also a member of my family. This crystal and familiarity with the Academy are like a treasure that has reached you. It might not have reached you, but it could have reached one of your friends. Then it was you who needed your friend to at least let you touch or see his crystal. I can't be able to help 100 people a day, or help 1,000,000 people a year, or solve everyone's problems, but you have been chosen, and its alms are your responsibility. If I am sure you will help 5 people, I know you have at least given your alms. Sometimes, I can't give one alpha crystal, which is my crystal, to 100 people to keep for themselves. At least I can show it to them. Let them receive its energy, even from a distance. Anyone who sees or touches this crystal from the subchakra of the left palm and right palm and 2 eyes will receive at least a small amount of its energy, and one of his problems will be solved, and demons of action reward you for giving your alms and helping others. This is the main difference between Surrender Sorceries and Possession Sorceries. One who uses the energy of action and tastes the beyond fruits, and as alms of act, he helps others. This is the simplest form of sorcery craft. A person who does possession sorceries must perform rituals. He has the duty to perform things like sacrifice, but nothing is necessary for Surrender Sorceries, and that crystal is doing its job. Many people enter the beyond to gain status or to increase their sustenance and blessings in life. Many enter the beyond because something has happened to their Kundalini and chakras, and they need to purify it. But when the beyond saturates you with everything, you have to give something back to it. You should help those who one day was in need like you. Then the energy from the 7th chakra will return to the 1st chakra, and this Kundalini will become bigger and more powerful every day. It is not for everyone. It is for people who want something more from this life. You are looking for supernatural secrets, true lovers of occult.